How to find your Windows 11 product key in the registry. Right-click on Start menu and then select the Run option. The dialog box will appear. Type Regedit. Press Enter. Use the navigation pane on the left side of the window to reach the following registry key. Click to expand H-key local machine. Expand software. Expand Microsoft. Expand Windows NT. Expand current version. Expand software protection platform. Look for the backup product key default key in the right side pane. It should display your product key in the data column. And that's it. Copy your key and save it for future use. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and even press on the notification bell for more tech videos. Have a nice time.